everybody, I'm TJunkie and welcome back to part 10. In this tutorial what we're going to be doing is when the player dies, at the moment we have a lovely respawn button at the top. There it is. What we're going to do is we're going to change that. We're going to have a game over or player died title, and underneath that we're going to have 3 buttons which say restart level, main menu, and quit game. The main menu we will write the code for, but we will comment it out for now because we don't actually have a main menu scene. But when we create the new scene, we can easily change that. So what we need to do is we need to go into our scripts. In our player dev script, we need to create a few things. Now, to begin with, what we're going to be doing is we'll be creating 2 windows. So we want a private const int underscore death underscore window underscore menu underscore ID equals 0. Then we're going to private rect, and we're going to call that underscore death underscore menu, not underscore, sorry, menu window underscore, not underscore, rect. Do we do rect? Yeah, we do rect, yeah. We'll be doing that for a while. We're going to call that a new rect. And we'll have that screen, we want it in the middle, so screen dot width divided by 2 minus, I know the buttons are 150 wide plus 110 on each side, so that's 170, so 85. From the top we want screen dot height divided by 2 plus 100. We want this to be 170, and then the height, 3 buttons, they're each 32, so I have 3 32, and I want 10 on each, on the top of each, so 136. And the second one will be a private. Actually, we can copy this then change a few over. Then we want to have that death underscore message window ID. We don't need the menu in there. And call this 1 and death message window rect. And then what we want to do is we want to have it quite big, actually, divided by 2 minus 400. I'm not going to do the divide on here, so I'm just going to put it, how much from the top? 200 from the top, I think. We want this 800, and we want this, I'd say 300. Nice and big. Now down here, the layer died. Yep. So what I want to do is want to delete this dev camera menu layout for now. Then we want to do a underscore death menu window rect equals GUI dot window, and then in here oh yeah, death message window ID. I spelled window wrong. So up here window. And I spelled wrong here too. My spelling today. Underscore death window rect. The name of the thing we're gonna have, so at the moment is death camera menu layout. Don't want it to have a title. We will be using window background. And then here we want to have int, and then copy this. We don't need this here, however, so what we'll do is do an if get component camera dot enabled equals true. Then we can get this out there. And we want another one here, so we want a def message when direct equals GUI dot window underscore def message when direct def message. This one here should be def menu. Def window menu ID. Copy this and put this back in here. There we go. Underscore def message. Oh, not that one. Underscore def message when direct. Def message display. Let's say you died. And I will create another one, so window background 2. I've created a whole new one for that one. I need to copy this now. Public void, there you go, and int underscore death underscore message underscore window underscore ID. There we go. That's all sorted. This one here we won't have to do anything with because this is going to handle it all. In here, however, we don't need this in here anymore. And we can save that off. Right, for now what I want to do is I'm going to copy this, paste it a couple of times, and this one will be called restart level. Main menu, quit, and I'm going to call this button red. And this one here will be application.quit. This one here will be load scene. We don't want it to load the main menu. We need to comment this one out. We don't have the scene main menu just yet, but when we come and create the main menu scene, we'll uncomment this out so it works. 32, 42, so we need 52 here, and 94 here. Let's save that off, and I go into Unity. I need to go to my GUI, skins, and create another menu. So duplicate this, and I'm going to call it number 2. I'm going to have a middle center for the alignment on the text. And the font size 160. Let's see if that's big enough. Let's go test this out. You died. That's perfect. Perfect. First try. Nice. This quick button will not work until you create the executable for this game and load it outside the editor. But in the editor this quick button doesn't work. This main menu button doesn't work because we haven't activated yet. If we did take the comments out, when you click it, it would come a message down here saying cannot find scene main menu. And this restart level obviously restarts it, and we've got that graphical glitch because why not? Now with that all done, next tutorial, what we're going to do is when these lasers, I'm going to have these lasers here, they hurt you. So in the next video we're going to create some tutorials, like you run here, trigger something, it comes up on the screen. To get across this gap, press forward and space, or forward and jump, and then you have a button down here that says continue, and then when you click it, it will continue. Same for here, and then when you go through these lasers and get to about here, it's going to come up with another message, because this one here is going to say hold sprint and jump at the same time, and you'll get across this gap. And this one here is going to say you took damage. Lasers and other objects in this game, or in this game, will hurt you. Collect health and armor to replenish your health and armor. I'm gonna create a health model and an armor model, which I might put one here, and a health one here, and the armor one over here or something. And I'll have them spin. So when you pick them up, it replenishes your health and armor. And then when we continue, we'll go on to add a black texture here, so it looks like a bottomless pit. And we're also gonna create a trigger here, so when you fall, you hit this trigger, it changes level. Okay, I've been T Junkie, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.